Hey, welcome back to another one of our behind the scenes video series. This one is going to be for our Burnaby custom home build, and this is the first video, and we're going to show you how we turn our clients' dreams and wishes for their custom home into an amazing space. So here's the site itself. We're just starting excavating. Quite a complicated excavation for sure because of the steep slope. The hoarding and retaining the dirt was a bit complicated, but we're using a platypus anchor, which is a bit like shotcrete, but half the price, which was great. This was recommended by the geotech engineer. When you do a custom home design build, you have to work closely with all of the professionals, all the engineers, and there's many different types. Us being the design team and also the build team really makes that process seamless for the client. They really don't have to get too involved with that because we manage everything end to end for them, and they really love that process with us. So the view to the lake there is one of the most important things we want to capture, and this glass box that I talked about, which effortlessly cantilevers over, is actually going to be in that zone. It's going to be quite cool. I'm not sure you can see the fence, but there's a fence there that defines where the environmental setback is. So anything beyond that cannot be disturbed, and that's where our box cantilevers over. The environmental setback itself we use to our advantage because it is a bit of a green belt and you get a lot of privacy from there. The rear yard was a little bit compact to design because we had to stay within outside of the environmental setback. So the pool and the patio design and how we integrate all of those exterior features was a bit of a design challenge, but we made it work, and they get a walkout basement out of that. Connected to the basement, the walkout basement is a great entertainment area, nice big bar, wine room, a change room for the facilities of the swimming pool. So really well thought out, and I'm excited for the client when this house is ready for them to use the space with all the guests and their kids and the cousins and everyone else coming through to enjoy the space. So as you can see, there's many moving parts to designing and building a custom luxury home like this. Make sure you follow us because we're going to show you in this behind the scenes video series the whole process, from design to site excavation to framing it up to all the interior design details that's super intricate, and then finally to move in for our clients. It's going to be very exciting, and we want you along with us for the entire trip. I am Eric Lee with VictorEric Design Build, and we create amazing spaces.